students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, the following figure shows the electric field around the two charges where these are our option. Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative. Q1 is negative, Q2 is positive. Both charges are positive or both charges are negative. So let's see. We know properties for a positive charge and negative charge, that electric field line, it emerges from the positive charge and it terminates into the negative charge. So let's observe the charge Q1 and electric field lines due to Q1. So see, it is coming out of the Q1. That means Q1 is positive charge, and see for Q2 it is again coming out of the Q2. So Q2 is also positive charge. So the correct option will be option C. Both charges Q1 and Q2 are positive. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.